Dear students, in this 19th episode, we discuss all other questions of exercise 6.3 of the chapter triangle. Then the 12th question is, there are two figures, so there are two triangles ABC and BQ. Then AB and BC and median of triangle ABC, that is median AD. And PM. There are two sides AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC. And there is another triangle PQR, that median is PM. Then two sides and the median of first triangle are proportional to the corresponding two sides and the median of second triangle. Prove that these two triangles are similar. For the proof of that similar triangles, let us consider the sides are proportional or the angles are equal. Anyway, two angles are equal, the third angle is also equal. Therefore, by angle, or which is simply A criteria, we can prove that the given triangles are similar. Or by side proportionality, we can prove that the triangles are similar. What is by median? Median is the line joining any vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side, that is known as median. If the triangle is isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, the median always, for any triangle, the median always bisect the opposite side, or the median from the angle of that median from the vertex bisect each other. That means median bisect the angle at the vertex. Also median bisect the opposite side, that is median. A perpendicular is the line segment joining any vertex and its opposite side, that the line segment makes an angle right angle or 90 degree with the opposite side. Then for an isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, median and altitude coincide with one another. Therefore, in this case, AB is the first side, corresponding side is BQ. That means answer is given that is AB by PQ is equal to AB and BC, that is BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. This condition is always given. We have to prove that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle B. Therefore, QP or AB by BQ is equal to BC by QR and PM by A. We know that QM is equal to half QR and BD is equal to half BC. Therefore, QM is equal to half QR and that BD equal to half BC. That is median. That is the condition. Therefore, AB by PQ. BC is replaced by 2B. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BC is half BC by half QR. That is equal to what is half BC? QM. By it is BD by QM. And it is also this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. These two triangles, that is triangle ABD, similar triangle PQM, that is side criteria of similar triangles. Therefore, angle Q is equal to angle B. That means the corresponding angles of two similar triangles. That means angles of two similar triangles. That is the reason. Therefore, we know that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. And angle Q is equal to angle B. That is two sides are equal. That is SAS criteria of similarity. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, that is side criteria. That is the answer of this problem. Listen, given that two sides are the median of first triangle are proportional to two sides and the median of second triangle, prove that these two triangles are equal, similar. That means median is the line joining any vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side. Therefore, median is always bisect the angle and also bisect the opposite side. Therefore, we know that BD is equal to half BC and QM is equal to half QR. Given that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM, that is given. Then QM is equal to half QR and BD is equal to half BC. Therefore, this result, that is equation number 1, and this result is AB by PQ is equal to, that is half, multiplying half into numerator and denominator, the value will not change. Therefore, half BC by half QR, half BC is replaced by BD, it is replaced by QR. That is equation number 2. First, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Second, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. From 1 and 2, these two triangles ABD and PQM are similar, that is side proportionality. Therefore, for any similar triangles, the corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal and the sides are proportional, they are similar triangles. Therefore, the angle Q is equal to angle B, that is angles of two similar triangles. That is the reason. Therefore, angle side property, these two triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. What's the reason? Angle side criteria of similarity. Clear? Then the next question is question number 30. Question number 13. D is a point on BC of triangle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into C. That is, let us consider triangle ABC. And D is a point on BC. This point is D. Angle ADC is equal to BAC. ADC this side. Then prove that the CA square is equal to CB into C. That means angle, that is angle answer is angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. ADC is equal to BAC. That means we consider ABC triangle and ADC triangle. Clear? Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. That means for triangle ABC and the ADC, the common angle is C. That means both for the ABC and the ADB, the common angle is B. Therefore, write as that is given. Angle C is equal to angle C. What is the reason? Common. That means the angle ABC of first triangle is equal to angle ADC of second triangle, and the angle C of first triangle is equal to angle C of second triangle. That is angle criteria. Therefore, third angle is always equal. Therefore, triangle what is ABC similar triangle ADC. That is angle criteria of similarity. Then the third side of that triangle ABC is AC. Therefore, AC by the corresponding of that second side is DC or CA. That is AC is right as CA. CB is equal. The second side of triangle ABC is that is BC. That BC or CB is by the second side of that triangle small triangle that is ADC is ACA. Yes, sir. CA, that is the third side of triangle ABC. This side corresponding to that one that is against that is near to A. Therefore, near to D, that is CD. That is CD. These two angles are equal. Therefore, the nearest side of triangle ABC is AC. And the nearest side of that angle D is DC. That they are the corresponding sides. And the nearest side nearest to that C is AC or C. And that one is highest triangle is ABC triangle is BC. And that one of the small triangle is CD. That means CD by CA. That is CA. Therefore, cross multiplication we get That is the answer. Always the corresponding sides means the side against the equal angles. That is the corresponding side. Therefore, AC CA by CD is equal to CB by CA. Cross multiplication, we get the CA square is equal to CB into CD. That is the result of that problem. Then question number 14 in the exercise. That question is always the question number 12. That means the 12th question is also repeated as 14th question in the exercise. Therefore, that 14th question be always that 12th question. Then the next question is 15th question. Question number 15. 14 same as 12. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter on the at the same time. That is important at the same time. A tower cast a shadow 28 meter. Find the height of this is also a problem in Heisa distance, that is application of trigonometry. That is, let us answer our first one. That is a pole ABC. Right angle B, because pole is always perpendicular to the ground. BC is the ground and AB is the pole. The length of that is 6 meter. That means at the same time the shadow is obtained by the inclination of sunrise. If sun is the top of that vertical, there is no shadow. When that sun move left or right, it is left shadow on the right or right shadow on the left. Therefore, the shadow increases on the base of the movement of the sun around a vertical pole. It move on the right side or left side, that will make a shadow. When that inclination or angle increases, when this increases, the length of the shadow also increases. Then there is another one, that is a tower. That is PQR. The base is always 90 degrees, that is something to 90. That means these two triangles are right angle triangles. And this length is the shadow, same time. Therefore, same length. Therefore, it is 28 meter. It is 28. This one is the height of the pole. Height of the tower. We can find out the edge. That means there are two triangles. The angle at B is equal to angle at Q is equal to 90 degrees. That is, answer is angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. That is given. At the same time, the angle of inclination described by the sun at the top of A and also at the top of B are equal in degree measure because at the same time. Therefore, these two angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle B. It is also equal. Because at the same time, the inclination or the angle described by the sun on the of that tower or the pole on the ground be same. That is the angle of depression. When that angle is around above the horizontal, that is angle of elevation. Below the horizontal, that is angle of depression. Therefore, these two angles are angles of depression. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle P2R. That is angle criteria of that triangle. Always with the proof we consider the reason of that one. Otherwise, we do not get all the full marks. That means for any step there is some reason. On the basis of that reason, we prove the result. Therefore, what? Sides are proportional. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. That is proportionality. Therefore, the reason is the triangles are similar, therefore the sides are proportional. What is AB? 6 by, this one is 4 meter, okay? It is 4 meter. Yes. That is 6 by 4 is equal to corresponding height, that is 8 by 28. Cross multiplication, h is equal to, that is 20 is cross in numerator, 6 into 28 by 4. That is 7, 4 are 28. That is 6 into 7, 42 meter. That means height of tower. Is equal to 42 meter. That is the answer. Clear? That means this is the applied question for that similar triangle. Then the 16th question is question number 16. AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and P2R. Triangle ABC similar triangle P2R. Prove that AB by PQ is equal to AB by PM. That is the converse problem of question number 12. That means the two sides and the median of first triangle are in proportional with the two sides and the median of second triangle. Prove that the triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. That is question number 12. The converse of that one is ABC is similar to PQR. We can prove that the ratio of two corresponding sides is proportional to the ratio of what? Medians. That is the converse of that problem. Okay, same problem, same figure. ABC, AD is the median, PQR, QPM is the median. Okay, what's the answer? This is given. We can prove that. That is, answer is triangle ABC similar triangle P2R. That is given. That is our result. We have to prove that result. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. And angle B is equal to angle Q, because that means angles are equal, sides are proportional. That is the reason. Angles are equal and the sides are proportional. Therefore, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. What is AD is a median that we divide BC with equal measure. That is D is equal. Therefore, BD is equal to half BC, or 2BD is equal to BC, and 2QM is equal to 2R. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to 2BD by 2QM. Therefore, equation 1 is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is replaced by 2BD by 2QM. Can I do 2 cancels? That means angle B is equal to angle Q. AB by PQ is equal to BD by 2M. That is side angle side criteria of similarity. Therefore, triangle ABD similar triangle PQR. Sorry, PQM. That is side angle side criteria. Therefore, all three sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to, what is the third side? AD and PM. AD by PM. That is the conclusion. Clear? That means, given that the two triangles are in proportional, therefore their sides are in similar, therefore their sides are in proportional, and the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is also equal to AC by PR, but we consider only the two ratios. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, that is sides are proportional, and the corresponding angle included angle is B and angle Q. Therefore, angle is equal to angle Q, that is angles are equal for similar triangles. Sides are proportional, angles are equal. And we know that AD is the median, that is given. PM is also the median, that is given. Median divided the opposite side with equal length. That means D is the midpoint. Median is the line dividing any vertex on the midpoint of its opposite side. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC and M is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, BD is equal to 2BC. Sorry, BC is equal to 2BD and QR is equal to 2QM. Therefore, that BC is equal to 2BD, QR is equal to 2QM. Therefore, equation 1 is AB by PQ is equal to 2BD by 2QM due to cancels. That means sides are proportional and the angles are equal. Therefore, using the property side angle side criteria of similarity, triangle ABD is equal to triangle PQM. Therefore, the sides are proportional. That is AB by PQ is the third side AD by PM. That is the result. Okay, this is exercise 6.3. Then 6.4B syllabus. That means ratio of the area of similar triangles are equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That will be eliminating from your topic. Therefore, let us consider the exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5. That is 6.4 not included. Then exercise 6.5. That is based on the Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean relation of right angled triangles. And that exercise is first one, that is 6.5. The first question is size of triangles are given. Determine which are right triangles. Right triangles. Find its hypotenuse. Okay. First question: 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 25 centimeter. Okay. What is the condition for two line segments or three measures are given? Test whether the sides are the sides of a triangle or not. What is the basic question? That is in the 6th class or 7th class. If three measures are given, test these are the sides of a triangle or not. That means, listen, 2, 2, 5 are three measures. What is 2 plus 2? 4. It is less than 5. 5 plus 2, 7, it is greater than 2. 2 to 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. That means sum of AB 2 sides greater than 10. Therefore, these 3 measures are the sides of a triangle. Example: 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4, 7, greater than 4. 4 plus 5, 9, greater than 3. 3 plus 5, 8, greater than 4. Therefore, these are the measures, the sides of a triangle. Okay? That is in the 6th or 7th class. This is the condition. 3 values are given. Sum of any 2 is greater than the third one. Therefore, we can construct a triangle. Otherwise, not a triangle. That means sum of 2's length is less than or equal to the third one. We cannot construct a triangle. Therefore, this 24 plus 7 is 31, that is greater than 25. Therefore, it is a triangle. How many sides for a right angle triangle? 3 sides. One is base, other is altitude, third side is the hypotenuse. It is against 90 degree, that is the long side, because in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree, sum of other 2 angles is also 90 degree. Therefore, other 2 angles are less than 90, that is acute angle. Therefore, the highest angle is, for example, one angle is 90 degree, other angle is 30 degree, the third angle is 90 minus 30 is 60 degree. Therefore, highest is 90, 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90, etc. Therefore, the highest angle is always 90 degree. The side against larger angle is longer, and the side against smaller angle is smaller. That is the basic axioms of Euclid geometry, that is in the 9th chapter. Therefore, the highest side, let us assume that it is hypotenuse. Then 7 square, that is the verification, plus 24 square is equal to 7 square is 49. 24 square is 576. Okay, 24 into 24. 6 5 7 6. Clear? Is equal to what? 9 plus 6 15. Am I wrong? 7 plus 5 12. That is 49 plus 576 is equal to 625. What is it? It is the square of 25. Okay? That means we can verify the Pythagoras theorem for any triangle. It is right angle triangle. Otherwise, it is not a right angle triangle. That is base square plus r2 square is equal to hypotenuse square. That any triangle verify that Pythagoras theorem. Always it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, it is right angled triangle. And what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to 25 centimeter. That is the answer of the first question. Clear? Okay, then second question is then question number 2 for that exercise. Question number 2. 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay, verify this result. That means 3 plus 8, 11, that is less than 6. 3 plus 6, 9, less than 8. Therefore, it is a triangle. Then highest length is 8 centimeter. Let us assume that it is the hypotenuse. Therefore, 3 square answer plus a square. This is 3 square is 9. A square is 6 square, not 8 square. Because 8 is the highest value. Which is equal to 9 plus 36. 9 plus 36 is equal to what? 45. That is not equal to a square. Clear? That is 64. Therefore, this is not a right angle triangle. Therefore, it is not a right angled triangle. Therefore, there is no hypotenuse. Therefore, we cannot measure the hypotenuse because that these 3 terms not verifies what? Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, these 3 line segments are the line segment of a triangle, but not a right angled triangle. Therefore, that exercise first question, there are 4 questions to verify given values are the sides of a right angled triangle. Therefore, first 2 we get done. The third and fourth questions of that first question, that for your homework. Same question. Then the second main question is, PQR is right triangle at P. M is a point is equal to PM perpendicular to QR. Prove that PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. QM into MR. That is PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle to P, that is given. So P Q R. And M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR. That is, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree. Prove that PM square is equal to, what is PM? PM square is equal to PM into MR. That means PM square is equal to QM into MR. Listen, that P at the point P, that is a right angle triangle. At the point this one, that is also right angle triangle. Therefore, from this right angle triangle, PM, that is PM, is the side of first triangle, and the corresponding side of the second triangle is MR. Then the side of that first triangle is QM, and for that is always PM. That means we can prove that these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay? Therefore, in the right angle triangle, that means PMQ and similar triangle PMR. One angle is 90 degree, other two angles are same. Therefore, that is angle criteria. Therefore, the corresponding sides are proportional. That means PM for this first triangle by QM of the second triangle. Second triangle. That means PM of the first triangle, second triangle, and QM of the second. This is the base and this is the base. Is equal to MR, that is the altitude of the second triangle. That is MR by what is it? PM, that is the altitude of the first. That means for first this is the base and for second this is the base. For first this is the altitude and for second PM is the altitude. Therefore, which implies that PM into PM square is equal to QM into MR. That means these two triangles are right angle triangles. For the right angle triangles, that means for the first triangle P is 90 degree. For the second triangle M is 90 degree. For the first triangle R is the angle. For the second triangle R is the angle. Therefore, they are common. Therefore, using that criteria, triangle PQR similar to triangle PMR. That means before this one, we can also write as triangle PQR similar triangle PMR. And triangle PQR similar, what is it? Triangle PMQ. These are also same criteria and lateral criteria. Therefore, the first triangle is similar to second triangle. The first triangle is similar to third triangle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Using this result, the corresponding sides are proportional. We get the answer.